Why did they come up with the idea to partner with the Y? Because 80% of the US population lives within 5 miles of a Y, and a lot of Ys are located in low income areas. So they partnered up. They did a joint venture licensing agreement where Bell Excel provided the content, the education, the seminars, the workshops. The Y provided the manpower, the training, the organizational support, and the Y went after grants because now the Y was offering educational content enhancements. They were entering a new area of service. So they went after local grants to support the new Bell Excel joint venture. This is an example of, by putting your nonprofit IP to work, you can expand your mission and expand your revenue opportunities. Look at the Red Cross, just another example of a brand extension. They took the American Red Cross, which is a very visible brand, and they've moved it out into the community, and now you'll find all sorts of branded products from the American Red Cross. Many nonprofits today, as I said earlier, are developing technologies.